All right, so for this one, it says in 1992, this woman, I don't want to mispronounce the name, but this woman actually set an Olympic record. She did a 100-meter freestyle swim with a time of 54.64 seconds. What's her average speed? All right, and so remember that your average speed, right? The average speed is just the distance over time, right? Now that would be from that's the hard part, is I've given you a ton of formulas. So there's a very simple formula somewhere in your notes that says this. That says average speed is distance over time. All right, well, what's the distance? Well, the distance is 100 meters. Oops, I misspelled the word distance. I was going to say dismance. Distance is equal to 100 meters. And then the time, we'll just call that T, is 54.64 seconds. So it asks us to do it in meters per second and then convert that to miles per hour. So the meters per second is kind of an easy one. I'm just going to say that my average speed is equal to 100 meters over 54.64 seconds. And if you do that in a calculator, I think the rounding thing is might throw you guys off. So let me. So I'm just gonna say, or the conversion. The conversion might be the other thing that throws you off. So I literally have 100 divided by 54.64, right? And so let me see if I put some sort of tolerance, or if it says specifically. Oh, it was multiple choice, right? So, yeah, so there was no error or anything like that. So this becomes like 1.83 meters per second. All right. So that's part A, or the first part. So then remember, you could rewrite it like this: 183 meters, and this is per 1 second. So now I'm going to convert this to miles per hour. So do you guys have that? Did I give you guys the conversion sheet that has all the units like miles and meters? Go ahead and get that out real quick. And so you have to have that paper when you do your homework. So I know that I'm going to need meters. I know that I'm going to need meters because I want the meters over here to cancel with the meters over here, right? So then I'm going to convert that meters to miles. So on that conversion paper, look in there for an equivalency of meters to miles. Does anybody have it yet? How many meters are in a mile? What's the relationship? You got to have that paper. Did I pass it out to you guys? Yeah? Okay. So it's a length. So look under length. Hold up your paper so I can see it. So on that paper I gave you, we'll take the long route. On the paper that I gave you, it doesn't have meters. What does it have? It has kilometers, right? So that's a whole other thing. So let's figure that out. So watch this. Using the paper that you have, I need to convert this to kilometers first. So then over here, I'm still going to put meters, but I'm going to put kilometers. Okay. Now, how many meters are in a kilometer? That's in your notes, in your notebook. Yes?
Would it be like 1,000?
Yeah, very good. So there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay. Now we had to do that because on the paper that I gave you, it has a relationship between kilometers and miles. Okay? So I put kilometers on the bottom because I want, remember our goal is to start canceling things out. Meters will cancel with meters, kilometers will cancel with kilometers, and then I want to have miles at the end because that's what we need, is we need miles per hour. Okay? So how many kilometers are in 1 mile? So I know this is 1 mile up here. What is it? 1.609. Okay. So meters have canceled with meters, kilometers with kilometers, and now I have miles. Now I have seconds down here at the bottom, right? So I have seconds here. So that means up here I need seconds. So how do I start moving from seconds towards hours? Because we need hours, right? We need hours over here. So look in there under time. Is there a relationship between seconds and hours? Yeah, what is it? 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. Did everybody see that on their paper? So because I have seconds on the top here, that cancels with the seconds over here. Whew. But notice that the only units that are remaining are miles per hour, and that's what I needed up here, right? I needed miles per hour. That's what we wanted, miles per hour. Okay, so now I just got to do the math. So I can multiply all the numbers across the top and bottom. So when I go to Desmos, I'm going to hit this little fraction thing. All right? And then let me look real quick. It was 1.83 times 1 times 30. So 1.83 times 1 times 1 times 3,600. And then on the bottom, I have 1 times 1,000 times 1.69 times 1. Or 609. So 1 times 1,000. Oops, wrong button. 1,000 times 1.609 times 1. Okay. So again, it's multiple choice. If you round that to the second decimal place, it's 4.09. So this would be approximately 4.09 miles per hour. Okay. Let me post that. Which one was that? That was number 10.